12 4K dashcam, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, ADAS car DVR, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This car dashcam supports wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Just connect with your smartphone via Bluetooth. You can easily access the app directly on the device, including map navigation, messages, email, phone calls, music, audiobooks and more. You can even connect your device's Siri Assistant to control. You can focus on the road, keep your hands free, and drive in complete safety. Clear image and night vision equipped with 12-inch 4K front camera and FHD 1080p rear camera, bringing super clear and smooth video experience. Helps you read the key details like road signs and vehicle number plates, and offers better defined details. The car camera applied an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. A 6-layer glass lens enhances night vision in a dark environment. License plates and other small wordings can be displayed clearly. FM transmitter Bluetooth music. The dash cam records FM and the car's FM in the same frequency. It can connect the car speaker. When the car stereo is paired with your phone via Bluetooth, the device can play music from your phone, transmit all the sound of the player to the car audio system through the O cable, and enjoy music through the car audio system. Loop recording, G-sensor, 24H parking monitor. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the old files when the South Dakota card is full. G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage, so dash camera won't overwrite locked files. H.265 video coding. The upgraded H.265 video coding is used and compared with H.264 video coding. 265 has better image quality and uses less storage, more than 30% less.